Good morning, everybody. And today I would like to wish you all a very, very happy new year. And I hope that you all will get recommended and we all will reunite here and have a good time all together. So let's start. So I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Pawan Muralidhar Kashyap. My native place is Bengaluru only. And I recently got recommended for the Indian Navy on 25th of December from 12 SSB Bengaluru. So in our center, there was reporting of 75 candidates, out of which 36 got screened in and 17 got recommended. And from those 17, only 5 are medically fit, rest all are being given PR. So my purpose of coming back here was because this institution has given me a very good exposure of different kinds of officers, and it has taught me brotherhood, which helped me to perform well in my group obstacles and group tasks. So I thought that coming back here and interacting again with people like me would give me a good memory to take with myself before leaving. So I just wanted to have a good time with all, and luckily it was Happy New Year yesterday and I enjoyed a lot with many of us. So now I would like to directly come to your doubts so that this interaction I want to make useful for you. You can clear all your doubts whichever you need as much as possible. I'll try my best level to clear all the doubts which I need.
You can now download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access online courses related to SSB, personality development and written exams like NDA, CDS, FCAT and plenty of other preparation material. For a limited time period, you can apply the coupon code SureShot20 to get a flat 20% discount on all the courses. Hurry up and become a part of the SureShot family.
Please start. Anybody can ask any kind of doubt.
Are you a repeater or a fresher?
Yeah, so I gave my second attempt. I was a repeater. My first attempt was in NSB Kolkata. So after that I came here and I got recommended.
Okay, so what were the changes, what were the self-introspection part which you did earlier after not getting recommended through in the first attempt? What changes did you bring in yourself to getting recommended this time?
Okay. So when I gave my first attempt, I was very much less aware about the process and I was not physically that much fit and mentally also to overcome all those tasks and all. So when I introspected myself, I realized that I need to work upon major areas, and the first thing which I changed in myself was my lifestyle. So I was a studious student from my childhood. So I used to wake up late night till 3 o'clock. I used to study, and also I used to do time pass also. That's not the thing. But I was not a person who used to wake early in the morning. So I changed the cycle. I made it early to bed and early to rise. And in the morning I used to do exercise, study, and I focused on my GK as well. So that gave me confidence, and coming here it gave me good opportunities to express myself, speak and interact with my batchmates. So that built confidence in me, and after home also I continued whatever been taught to me and I presented it there and I got recommended.
What does it exactly mean by you are not physically fit?
So physically, when I was going for my first interview, I was underweight firstly, and I had not played sports from a long time. In my school, I was very much active, but when I went to interview, I was not that physically fit. I could have been more, and that was the thing which doesn't let me go.
Did you take coachings for your first attempt also?
No, I didn't do coaching. It was after coming here only when I took my coaching, and I realized that yes, this is a very good place where I can test my capabilities and learn new things, and then I presented in front of them.
Did anybody ask from you in SSB about coaching? Have you taken coaching or not?
Luckily not, but if they would have asked me, then I would have said no, because you might have all know that apart from 15 OLQs, there is one more OLQ which is not mentioned, but it is said as trainability. So trainability is the ability of a person to grasp whatever is being taught to him. So if you are a coached candidate and other person is not a coached candidate but still he is performing equal to you, then that particular person will be given a preference. So in my suggestion, if you are asking my suggestion, then I would say that don't reveal until and unless it comes to your neck. Be honest only when it is asked to you. Don't directly reveal from your side that you had taken the coaching and all.
You tell about your change in routine. For how long have you continued your routine of early to bed and early to rise?
Okay, so
After SSB or before that? After
yeah, I'll tell. So I understood your question. So when I gave my NDA, so as I said that I was a studious student, I knew that I'll be clearing the NDA, but I was not sure with how many marks. So as soon as I gave my NDA exam, from the very next day, I was firm in my mind that I have to change my routine. So altogether, it was approximately 3.5 months before my SSB interview that I changed my routine. I used to wake up, I gained some muscle weight, I started playing sports more, and that kept me mentally active and helped me to focus on my studies as well.
So,
Yes.
this change comes after your first attempt or?
Yeah, it was after my first attempt. There were a series of mistakes that I did in my first attempt which resulted in my rejection. And also I would like to say one thing is, when you will be going for your interview, it is not the thing that if you will perform bad in one particular aspect of a task, you will be rejected. What they see is the series of mistakes that you are doing in your interviews or in your GTO obstacles, because there are large variety of tasks that is been designed to judge your personality. So if you will consistently do mistakes and that also similar, then only it may lead to your rejection. But in my opinion, if for first day, for suppose psychology test doesn't goes well, don't lose your heart. It happened with me. I would like to share an experience. When got screened in, then there what happened was, I did very nice in my psychology and GTO. But the third day was my interview, and the interview was taken by the president of my board, 12 SSB. He was a Commodore, and he took my interview and he grilled me very badly. So I thought that now it's done, I'll not be able to go forward, and I was losing my heart. So but later on I realized that if he has grilled me, then there might be some other reason for which he's trying to grill me or put pressure on me. So what I did was, in spite of being grilled very badly, I still, on the next conference day, I went with a smiling face, and he was sitting there and he also smiled at me. Conference was over, and when the results were declared, I was the third person to get recommended. So never lose your heart if you have performed bad in one of your tasks, because there are multiple chances and multiple opportunities where you can rise and show your personality. Yes.
Gentlemen, during the whole SSB process, what are the traits you think you have which separates you from the other candidates who are not recommended? And during the different stages, what have you observed that you are different from the others?
Okay. So the thing which comes to unique into me is I would like to call my spirit, because I come from a civilian background and nobody in my family has ever dreamt of coming here. My motivation made me strong enough to bear all the challenges that came in my obstacles, and the things which I didn't see in the people who got conference out was the thing that they were not serious. They were not at all serious. They were just hitting the bush anywhere around and were getting, expecting that they'll get recommended. They were criticizing, they were rating others, not themselves, and it is all about your personality. And you might know that personality change never comes in a week or in a day. It takes a gradual process. It takes some time. You have to inculcate a large number of changes in yourself before you get ready for an interview. When it comes to defense, they have a specific criteria for which they select the candidates. It doesn't mean that if you are not clearing SSB, then you are not suitable for any others. They'll inform you on the first day. Big personalities like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Rahul Dravid, Amitabh Bachchan, they all also had went to SSBs, but they all got rejected. So the thing which in my personal opinion, is that source of motivation. Source of motivation should always come from inside. If you are getting motivated by watching videos online or by listening to somebody, then it is not a motivation. It is just some pumping up for temporary. If it comes from inside that I have to do, then no matter how hard your way becomes, you'll definitely clear it. So this was the thing that I saw in myself. My source of motivation was from my inside, and for others it was either from their parents, fathers who are working, serving, or it was from online videos. That was the thing which I saw in them. Anything else?
So you come from a civilian background.
Yes.
So So what motivated you to join the armed forces? What was the source of your inspiration that you took up this career rather than going to the corporate world?
So, as when I was in standard 8th, so I had interest in going in civil services, that is IAS and all. That was just a silly craze. But when I completed my 10th, I had a temperament of traveling. So when I was out with my parents in Mumbai, so there near that, behind that gateway or something like that, there was a waterway where we were boating. So there was a naval base. There is Mumbai is the command there of Indian Navy. So there I saw few ships of Indian Navy, and when I saw these people wearing uniform, working, doing some good work, rigorous work, then it fascinated me. It built an interest in me. Then when I came back home and I studied, I researched, I saw some few videos, then I realized that it is a very interesting place where I can unlock my maximum potential and develop as one of the best in the world, because officers are considered to be the best gentlemen in the world, either ladies or gents. And also Indian Navy is growing very nicely and very extensively in coming days. So this was the thing that motivated me, because I wanted to be as strong enough that 1.3 billion people of our country can be rest assured with my talent and my capabilities that people like me can protect them in all kind of areas. You're not smiling, yaar. I'm not able to see your faces only. Do I look so bad? You all are graduates. Don't worry, I'm not going to trouble you. If you want, you can definitely ask your doubts. I'm not going to say anything to you. Everybody comes to me, everybody was coming to me in personal asking their doubts, and now I'm standing, nobody is asking. Don't worry, nobody will judge you for asking doubts. One time I was also sitting here, I was also a curious person who used to ask doubts, used to get scolded. I also got insulted many times for asking many doubts and all, but that doesn't came in my way. I took it as an opportunity to learn. So if you think that I can help you, then you can ask me any kind of doubts, because I want you people to clear your doubts so that you can focus on your process more than the procedure.
What are the traits which were common in you and the other candidates who were recommended?
So the first and the most interesting which I felt was brotherhood. Whenever any one of us needed the other person, all 10, we got 17. So if one person needs somebody, 10 used to come to help. And teamwork, coordination were the things which I saw. And everybody were very confident, super confident. And they were ready anytime, anywhere to face any kind of situation. Because if anybody is from Navy, then I would like to tell that there is a slight change in procedure. So it's not anything as new has been added. It's just the thing that all the GTO tasks have been completed in one single day, and the strength of the group has been reduced. Initially in a group there were 12, 10 or more than that, but now there will be less than 8. In my group there were 6. So we were divided into 5 groups, and first 2 groups were taken on the first day of GTO. Whole GTO was completed in one single day, and the next day was given off. And the other small thing which is introduced is the day before your conference, there will be a sample psych test, which is an experiment being conducted by DIPR, Defense Institute of Psychological Research. They are planning to implement some new changes. So they will be giving you to write a TAT, only TAT, 12 stories, but the last story would not be blank. It would be shown and you have to write a story. So they'll inform you, it would have no role to play in your recommendation or all, but it can be implemented at any point of time. So whenever you are preparing, be thorough with whatever you have prepared, and going there, don't panic. Other thing is, don't judge others. Don't see how he is performing or how he is not performing and all. Because if he is performing good and you have also performed good, he will also get recommended and you will also get recommended. They don't have any criteria of selecting normal people, means a specific number of people. If they find that in a batch there are 36 screened in, they'll recommend all 36. Then the game goes to merit list. So they have no limitation. And never criticize SSB boards. It has been a very important role in selecting our officers. And for the same reason, all the officers are now doing very good. So if you have got conference out or rejected, then there might be some quality in you which they might have not wanted or which is not necessary for the defense forces. So it is your responsibility to work upon it with gradual passage of time. and come back with more spirit and crack the SSB. Yes.
Like you said that you are repeater, right?
Yes.
So what was your approach to inculcate those qualities where you lack?
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB SureShot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a SureShot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.